Hello students, today we discuss about the graphical representation of motion, that how motion is represented through graphs. Now what is graph? Graph is a diagram which shows the relationship between the two variable quantities. Now for the motion, the two variable quantities are distance and time. So in we discuss about the distance time graph. Now to draw a graph, first of all we will know about the basics of the graph. To plot a graph, we have to draw the two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is drawn horizontally and y-axis is drawn vertically. Now we mention x-axis as a time axis which is measured in second, and y-axis as distance axis which is measured in meter. Okay, and by using the different values or different data we draw a graph. Now here it is given some data of distance and time. For an object who covers a distance of 10 meter in 5 seconds, 20 meter in 10 seconds, 30 meter in 15 seconds, 40 meter in 20 seconds, and 50 meter in the next 25 seconds for the different times. That is, for the first 5 seconds it reaches to the 10 meter, and for the next 10 seconds it reaches to the 20. So we have this data, and how we use this data to plot a graph. So first of all we mention we mark the different points in the time axis, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is the marking of the seconds, that is for the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 20 second, 25, 30 and so on. And in the distance we mark the points 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the meters. Now how we plot or how we draw? For the first 5 seconds, the object reaches to the 10 meter. So we mark a point here. Next, for the next 10 seconds, okay, the object reaches here in 20 meter. So we mark a point here. Okay. Next, for the next 15 seconds, the object reaches here to 30. So we mark where the 2 points meted, that is time and distance, we mark point here. Next, for the 20 second, the object reaches to 40. For the 20 second, the object reaches to 40 meter. So we mark a point here. And next, for the 25 second, the object reaches to 50 meter. So we mark for the 25 second, the object reaches to 50 meter. And then after we join a line. Okay. This is a graph of distance time. Now here we can see that this is a line, a straight line. Okay, we get the straight line. Now this shows that the motion of that object or that body is uniform, because in the earlier class we learned about that if a line is a straight line, if a distance time graph, then that graph of distance time is of uniform motion. Hope you understand about the distance time graph. That's all for today.